This compact galvanic tabletop unit assists in deep penetration of active substances for iontophoresis and desincrustation techniques. The unit contains both positive and negative charges. It can be used after cleansing and, if appropriate, after a facial steam. Iontophoresis is an electric-based delivery of nutrients that circumvents many of the lipid bilayers of the skin by directly penetrating between them. Desincrustation is a deep cleansing treatment that softens sebum and is the ideal treatment for oily or congested skins preparing for the skin extractions.